Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my life for IR. Today we're gonna review some photo I just took with my A6300 plus the 72-200 f4G lens. And we're gonna review some photo, see how it performs on APS-C sensor camera. So yeah, first shot is just a simple plant at home, just to show you the bokeh, maximum bokeh pretty much that you can get from this lens. Let's zoom in. It's indeed very sharp, very sharp. It performs very well. Well, it's f4, so I would say it's sharper than f1.8 lens, like 85 f1.8. When zooming, it's sharper because the field of view is a little bit wider, broader. How do you say that? Anyway, let's check out the info as well, just for your, for you to know. It's this shot at 200mm f4 maximum bokeh. All right, move on to the next photo. Move on. Next photo. Dang it! Come on. Why can't I move on? There you go. Second photo. This one is just to test the sharpness. First, let's check out the file. It's at 70mm. Center looks sharp, nice. Go to the edge. Go to the edge. Edge also looks decent. Maybe a little bit less sharp, but overall, it's pretty good. I don't have a direct comparison against the other lens just yet. Maybe I'll find some old photos and old photos I took with my 24-240, and I replicate those photos with my new telephoto lens, and I'm gonna compare those. Maybe I'll do that. It could be interesting. All right, so this one is at 200mm. 200mm. It is pretty sharp, eh? Pretty sharp. Remember, this is on a APS-C sensor. APS-C camera. Alright, this is my roommate. Very sharp, very nice. And this one is wonderful for portrait shots. You can zoom into the eye. You can see very nice detail. And the background is very nicely blurred. Alright, so a random shot on the street. Focus on those cyclists. It's a little bit soft here. It's like at f4, it's inevitable. Let's see. And the photo was shaky, yeah, because I was walking, half walking, also at 200mm, and shot at shutter speed at 1/320th second. So obviously it's gonna be shaky. I need to have more control over shutter speed to get a stable shot. Alright, next one. Again, just to see the sharpness, it's really sharp. Really nice. Alright. Next one. Next one. Next one. I found a cat on the street. So I didn't grab the focus on the cat's face, which is a pity. Focus on the tire, the wheel. Alright, this is some random decoration on the gates of someone's house. It's a pretty small thing, but at 200mm, it looks so huge. And the background is very nicely blurred. Nice. Some flowers. Yeah, you can really appreciate the sharpness of the lens. Very nice. Alright. Also, this in this photo, you can also see this. Look at the lines, so nicely defined, so clear, so clean. There's no issue at all from edge to edge. So yeah, impressive. good stuff. Also, I think this lens performs pretty good on the A6300. The focus is very fast. Feels like it's better than the A7RII. Still need to test the A7RII in daytime. Still haven't done that yet. So stay tuned. There's another flower shot. Actually, all the background blur made those flowers look much more interesting than they are. They are just in somebody's backyard. Very not so not as beautiful as you can see here, because you can put all the emphasis on the flower now. Anyway, here's the bird. Bird's eating from the fruit. This is a tree, so I shot upwards, up on a tree. Found this little guy. I think it's a little bit shaky because I was using aperture priority. Yeah, definitely shaky, because this is equivalent, full frame equivalent of a 300mm focal range. Oh wait, I did a clear image zoom on this shot, so it's 300 multiplied 2, so it's 600mm equivalent. So obviously it's not gonna be so much detailed in the shots. When you zoom in, you can see those blur stuff. It is the clear image zoom, but the result is pretty cool. You don't have to zoom in to enjoy this picture to see the bird. Yeah, but definitely need to raise the shutter speed. As I said last time, I didn't learn my lesson. So my photos are not sharp because of that. There's some post processing. Actually, not the same picture, but similar. Alright, here also a little bit shaky, you can see here. Otherwise it would be nice. Alright, just to show you the sharpness. Where did this focus on? So confused. It's at f4.5. This one actually doesn't look that sharp. It looks kind of weak. It's not lack contrast. It kind of doesn't know where it's focused on. I don't know. It's weird, this picture. Next one, random tree. Oh, there's no license plate on that car. Okay. Random tree from 70mm. It's full frame equivalent to 105mm focal length. Alright. Cool. That's all the photo, I think. Yeah. Good. What do you think? I think 7200 on the A6300 is a really nice combination. It's fast, it's sharp, image quality is good. Just have to raise the shutter speed a little bit. And the range is very far, so it's difficult to capture meaningful stuff when you are in a small alleyway. It's kind of difficult to capture what you want to capture because how far zoom in it is. I imagine it will be much better on the full frame A7R II, so we're gonna test that next time. Alright, so that's it. See you in the next video.